How to stop seeing TikTok video that you're not interested in. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can stop seeing TikTok that we are not interested in. So without any delay, let's start the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if let's say when you open up your TikTok and bunch of videos appear on your For You page, and let's say some of the videos are something that you're not interested in or something that you don't like at all. So in order to remove those kind of videos from your For You page on your TikTok, you just need to long press on the particular video that appears on your For You page. For example, this one right here. So you will be finding different kind of options here easily, like report not interested, captions, auto scroll, playback speed. You just need to tap on the second option called not interested, and when you tap on it, that particular video will be removed and they give you a pop-up like they will show fewer videos like that. So that's how you basically do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.